Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. And in today's edition of What's on the Porch, well, it's been on the porch 3 times, so 3 months. It hasn't been sitting on the porch. Anyway, I'm bringing you the Slay Glam box. So I subscribe to Slay Glam, which is this, for 3 months to see whether or not I would like it. And let me tell you, if you sign up for 1 month, it's $24 a box. 3 months is $21.33 a box. You can do 6 months for $20 a box if you prepay. Or if you do 12 months, it would be $19.58 per box. You get 5 to 7 beauty products, it says. Beauty items. Makeup, cosmetics, skincare, beauty tools, fashion. Customize options, if you follow on Instagram or Facebook, for color selections. So I signed up for 3 months to see whether or not I like it. I don't remember. I want to say September, October, and November, maybe. Apparently, things with Slay Glam box have not been that memorable. Plus, you get nothing in the box that tells you anything about what you have, which is nice. It would be nice if they did that. So I saved them so that we could look over the entire 3-month subscription all at one time versus doing them month to month. I do not know which box I got what month. Not that it really matters, I don't think, but I have two boxes and a bag. So we'll start with the bag. Let's see. So we'll start off with the holographic lip gloss. It says great as a lipstick topper. And I believe that I have one of these that I got in one of my other boxes. And so here is where my problem begins. I mean, from what I remember and what I have seen, these are very pretty. I have no problem with this product. What I have a problem with is it looks like it's been opened and closed a couple of times. This to me looks like something that would be on the shelf at TJ Maxx. So that's my first problem, but I understand these are really nice. And then we have the Beauty Crop Vita Glow 3-piece mini eyeshadow palette, bronzer and setting spray, which again looks kind of rough. The tape has been opened and it just looks like something that was picked up at TJ Maxx. It's kind of beat up and abused. Then we have the Beauty Crop Lightning Crew Nourished with Pineapple and Green Tea Highlighting Cream. Highlighting cream. This does have the safety wrap on it. I don't know what highlighting cream is, but I'm not going to open it. We have Italia Deluxe Ultra Fine Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Gold. That's what that looks like. I don't know whether I'm going to keep that, so I'm not going to swatch it. And then we have a palette. This is Rasha B, and as you can see, I don't know what's going on. Oh, well, this is some kind of outer wrap, but that's how it was in the box. I don't know why there's outer wrap on this. But this is what the palette looks like. Bonfire. eyeshadow palette. That's super cute. I love the packaging. It has a shade saver, and that's what the palette looks like. It's a pretty little palette. I am not going to swatch it though, because I don't think I'm going to keep it. I think I'm going to put that in your giveaway box. So those are all of the items that were in the bag. And now let's move on to these two boxes. So there's, I don't know about those lip glosses. I may keep those because they're holographic. They don't help you to be able to pronounce words correctly. I have no idea what the value of any of that is, because like I said, they don't come with any type of card or anything. I mean, I could go look them up, but ain't nobody got time for that. These little boxes are kind of cute with the little handles. We have 5 products in this box. We have the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. I have gotten one of these before too. I'm pretty sure that I got it in a glossy box, which is kind of what this reminds me of. It's like glossy box. I didn't care for these because I believe that the shades were pretty, but okay, no, I'm wrong. This is not very pretty. That is a cream. And then I don't know what that is. Is that maybe a highlighter? And it looks like somebody stuck their fingernail in it. And then we have this, which you cannot read the writing on it. I have no clue what that says. That was not a good decision. Oaklawn Cosmetics. I am assuming that this is a loose pigment or probably a highlighter. It does not say. Is it shrink wrapped? No, it is not. It does have the safety seal on it though. I'm assuming that that's a highlighter, so that will go in the giveaway box. This is Rasha B, and this is a duochrome eyeliner, it says, but it has no indication of what possible shade. It is a very, very fine eyeliner though, which is interesting. And it looks like a gold, even though it says it's a duochrome. Okay, I might have to keep this. I have other swatches. You'll just have to look past those. That is very hard. Oh, and it just broke. This right here. And it says it's a duochrome, but I don't see any duochrome happening. And it broke. It's very dry and hard, so that will be going in the trash. I am not intending for this to be a negative video. Then we have more Rasha B. This is Beautiful Multi-Chrome Eyeshadow Palette. This is what this looks like. It's a very pretty palette, but again, you see it almost looks like it's been touched. Well, oh. They're very soft. Definitely multi-chrome. So I think that I will keep that, and I will just sanitize it just in case. And the last item in this box is a lip library from Manicadar. Again, you know, I see these at TJ Maxx all the time. So that is quite disappointing to me that there's makeup in these boxes that I could just go pick up at TJ Maxx. Not to say that this is not possibly a good product, but Just not something that I look to be in my makeup subscription box. So that's going in your giveaway box as well. Those are all of the items from that box. And now we're moving on to the last box. Are you serious? So far, there have been 5 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This has 6 in it, and I believe that this was the first box that I got. So we have this Sweet Color 16 color eyeshadow palette, and this is from Oaklawn. And it has tape on it. I'm not going to open the tape. It's got a little Christmas tree embossed in it. That's cute, little Christmas trees. So I will not be keeping that. That will go in the giveaway pile. And then we have this Bella Pierre Eye Look Essential Purple Storm, it says. This little eye kit. And this is taped up. I'm not going to open it because I know I'm not going to keep it. That will go in the giveaway pile. Then we have Be Bella Lip Perfection Pencil. This is in the shade Vampire. This is shrink wrapped. That is a kind of dark vampy color. I don't remember. I know I have a Be Bella. I think I do. But I will probably keep that. So that's 2 products from out of 3 boxes that I'm going to keep. And then I have Metallic Girl Power Liquid Lipsticks. This is from the Beauty Crop. And this shade is Royale. Ooh. That's interesting. Do I want to... Oh, let's swatch it, shall we? That's actually kind of pretty. Okay, so I guess I'm keeping that one. And the other one is in Bellini. Same Metallic Girl Power lipstick from the Beauty Crop. That's what that looks like. Those are pretty. We'll see if those dry down. So I'm keeping both of those. The packaging on this feels very cheap. And then we have Rasha B. Be Beautiful. Oh, this is 2? Is this 2? I'm like, did I get the exact same palette? You sent it to me twice in 2 separate boxes? Let's see. I don't know. Let's open the other one and see what we got going on. Oh, they are 2. Are they 2 different palettes? I guess they are 2 different palettes. They're kind of similar though. This one, this is 2. It says duochrome, but it looks more chunky than the other one. Let's, very soft. They're very soft. Let's do another one. Let's do this teal. That's pretty. So I guess I'm keeping that one too. So I'm not mad about the eyeshadow palettes, except for this one really does look like somebody has been touching it. Jeez. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm keeping these. And I'm keeping the eyeliner and the 2 lippies. And I'm throwing that away. And everything else, oh, I'm keeping the I'm keeping these. I think I'll keep these. And then the rest will go in the giveaway box. So that is my Slay Glam box for 3 months. And I can tell you that after I received the very first box, I immediately canceled because I was like, this is like Glossy Box, and I did not like Glossy Box at all. So I have already canceled this subscription, but I wanted to share it with you because just because I don't like these products does not mean that you won't like them or that this is not something that maybe you would be interested in. So I wanted to share it with you. I will put the link to Slay Glam down in the description. There's no, I get nothing. I'm not trying to sell you on it. You can also find them on Cratejoy. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching me open up these Slay Glam. I want to call them Slam Glam. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. By the way, that is dry. Like, Christopher, do you need some metallic lipstick? Look, that's just, that ain't going nowhere. Maybe you need that because, you know, long day of fishing and drinking lots of water and, you know, taking your teeth and tying and untying knots in the fishing line, your lipstick will wear off pretty quickly. So get you a good liquid lipstick that, you know, won't go anywhere. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.